Today we're gathering here at the Matrix Hotel to launch the CNIB Champions initiative. This is a brand new initiative for CNIB where we've brought together nearly 50 Albertans from across the province, from Grand Prairie and Lethbridge and Chestermere, and we've all come together to learn more about the CNIB, to learn about how to influence decision makers, and hopefully to create a better province to live if you happen to have vision loss.
The CNIB Champions initiative is really the first of its kind for the entire CNIB organization. It's all about empowering our clients, empowering the friends and family members of clients, empowering all of our supporters, and really getting them to share their stories and making sure that they're the ones that are bringing that story forward, talking about the great work that CNIB is doing, talking about their own lives living with vision loss to their local decision makers.
This initiative is mobilizing, I think, the strength within the CNIB organization, and our strength is in our clients, and really, I think, speaking the truth of what life is like as a visually impaired blind person.
We live in sometimes isolation in our homes, and we need to get together for the support of one another, and we also need to get together as a group to know what's happening around us in the world and what we are actually involved in.
I'm intrigued by this new program. I certainly would love to be able to help the CNIB in any way that I can, because they've been great for me.
There are hundreds of people across Alberta who want to get involved, who want to speak out and make a difference, but who aren't always sure exactly how to do that. And events like the one we're holding today teach people exactly how they can reach out to their decision makers, influence them, and create a better province to live in if you happen to have vision loss.
I used to work for the federal government, so for me I think it's a reminder. Sometimes it's not just what I might be thinking in a moment, or how I'm affected by something, but the bigger picture.
Getting these fabulous updates and understanding more about the central purpose of CNIB and the shift you're making now was really helpful for me.
I think I'm learning what role the CNIB is playing and what role we will be playing in helping this program to move forward.
As I have participated this morning, I have been totally impressed and energized and enthused. The sessions were excellent, delivered in a way that was easy to understand, and it's inspired me.
After this morning's session with regarding to, say, meeting with the MLA, if I was asked to do that cold, I would have felt totally unprepared. After this morning, and hopefully more again this afternoon, I would feel more comfortable. I would feel much more comfortable. It's been very informative.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Today we are bringing close to 30 CNIB champions to the legislature. This is the second day, following a remarkable day of training and getting some insights from journalists, from people who have been doing this kind of work for a long time in government relations, and getting trained on how to interact with MLAs. So we're now putting that practice into action today and getting our champions engaged in those conversations.
I think it's incredibly important for every champion in that room to be able to share their story with their MLAs, and no one else is going to be sharing their story for them. It's important that they're in front of us, especially at an incredibly crucial time right now in heading into the budget, to hear exactly what their story is.
I met with a lovely young lady who's a University of Calgary student who, since she was a young lady, had challenges with lights and shadows. And then I met a lovely couple, where he's dealing with macular degeneration and his life experience and his life experience of his mom. Amazed by the breadth of programs that CNIB provides to over 50,000 Albertans. Those that have medical conditions that are genetic or inherited, and also those individuals that through accidents have vision impairment, and the broad range of services and programs that are available.
where CNIB is going is really progressing into the future on a lot of the leadership files. See some of the good work they've already done in terms of healthcare premiums, bringing forward a lot of initiatives through CNIB as an advocacy group, I think is incredibly important. And I think this Champions here in the room today are just going to be another step forward in that important initiative.
The big ask is to make sure that the support that we're getting from the government is maintained so that CNIB can continue to do the good work for the thousands of people that we serve.